Now, to get this job done, all you're gonna really need is 2 knives. What it do, YouTube? This is the one, the only Kid Onyx, aka KO, coming at you with another video. And today, the war on chrome continues. We are getting rid of these side fins, side gill, side wing. I don't know what it's called. Anyways, we're getting rid of it. All this chrome, that's gotta go. And we're gonna replace it with this beautiful bad boy right here. All right, as always, I'm gonna show you step by step how to get it done. It's another simple mod you can do. Doesn't require any special tools or expertise. Let's get into it. Now, to get this job done, all you're gonna really need is 2 knives. That's it, just 2 knives. Preferably one that's kind of sharp, and then a second one that's kind of more like a butter knife. So when you're looking at your grill, it's a 2-component system. You have this, we'll call this the bracket. This sits on the side of your car. And then you have this, we'll call this the face. This sits on your bracket, thus securing it to your car. And if you look, this has clips that go through the bracket. I don't know if you can see that poking through. So all we have to do is take the face off first, and then we're left with the bracket. And from there, we can easily take the bracket off of the car. So what you want to do is take your sharp knife, and you're going to separate this chrome from that black. All right, I'm doing this with one hand, so it's gonna be a little awkward, but you wanna carefully work it in between just to get it started, like so. Now listen carefully. If you're bad with knives, take your ass to the store and get you some of these. What are those? This right here, it's called a trim pry bar trim set. It's a trim tool. It's a tool to remove trim from a car. They're plastic. You can get this for like 10 bucks at Walmart. That's worth every one of your fingers. If you know you suck with knives, especially sharp knives, go to the store, get trim tools. I have them, but I just want to show you that you can get it done with 2 knives that you have at the house already. Once you got that one in there, you want to take your butter knife, the one that's a little bit thicker, and you're just gonna kind of work it in. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna lean one towards the car, lean the other one away. And just kind of work your way down the car. Now you also have to be careful because your car is literally right there. You do not want to scratch your car. So again, if you're bad with knives, refer to my previous comment. Now it's very careful that you don't pull this way because the tip is going to go into your car. So once you get it down, you're rotating it back and forth like this. Do not go that way. Back and forth like this just to apply outward pressure to this face. So as you can see, all of the clips are out. Now what you're dealing with are these 2 prongs that are at the end that clip, one from the top and one from the bottom, and they're just hugging onto a plastic piece back here. The best way I can describe this is you're going to push this that way and pull the face towards you at the same time. Just keep wiggling it like so. All right, now that you got the face off, you're left with this. You got 3 tabs, one here, one here, one here. All you're gonna do, press the tab and pull out. You can even do this with your hand. Press this tab up and pull out. Press this last tab down and pull out. Ta-da! And just like that, it's out. And I'm just gonna grab some Windex because it's the first thing I saw. Wipe off the sides. Don't press too hard because if you have any dirt or grime, you can like scratch it into your paint. So very lightly. Now for the beautiful part. All right, so for this guy, basically you just slide it and it slides in. So first you want to focus on getting these hooks in first, and then you force it towards the front of the car until that can slide through. And that's all she wrote. Oh, look at that. And just like that, we've got our side scoop gill fin thing installed. Whatever it's called, it looks much better in black. All right, so if this video helped you at all or you found it entertaining, please give it a like, consider subscribing. It goes a long, long way. Appreciate you. I'll see you in the next video.